Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. Find the coordinates of the point B if B divides A and C internally in the ratio of 2:3. Given that A is -3 and -4 and C coordinates are 2 and -1. A, -14 over 5, -1. B, -1, -14 over 5. C, 1, -14 over 5. D, -1/4, -14. E, 1, 14 over 5. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method, let the coordinates of B be x and y. Using the internal division formula, we get x equals 2 times 2 plus 3 times -3 over 2 plus 3 equals 4 minus 9 over 5 equals -1. Y equals 2 times -1 plus 3 times -4 over 2 plus 3 equals -2 minus 12 over 5 equals -14 over 5. Hence, coordinates of B are -1 and -14 over 5. And the answer is letter B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option B, -1, -14 over 5. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it's trying to find the x coordinate and it got -1 and it also found the y coordinate of B, which is -14 over 5, which means that it got a correct answer, letter B. That was all fast. Now let's try this in Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember our answer was option B. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem. Okay. It immediately gave us the formula to solve the problem. However, it got the answer wrong. The answer it gave is letter A, which according to the options given, letter A is -14 over 5 and -1, but the answer provided by Gemini is -14 over 5 and another -14 over 5, which does not correspond to any choices given in the question. Oh well, as the disclaimer says at the bottom of the page, Gemini may display inaccurate info. At least we got ChatGPT the correct answer. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So here's the smart way. If a line is cut by a point in a certain ratio, then its length along the x-axis and that along the y-axis is also cut in the same ratio. In this case, the x-coordinate of A, which is -3, and that of C, which is 2, are -3 minus 2 equals -5, or 5 units apart along the x-axis. When this has to be divided in the ratio of 2:3, 2 parts towards point A and 3 parts towards point C, we get the coordinate of point B. Refer to the graph as shown in the video. As can be seen in the previous figure, the value of x-coordinate of point B will be -1, which is 2 units on the right of -3, or 3 units on the left of 2. Once we know that the x-coordinate is -1, we can look at the options and see that only option B satisfies the requirement, and hence the answer should be option B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next one.